Now we move on to the third step, which is the steaming process. Now, what is the benefit of steaming process? The steaming process has two major benefits, especially when it comes to facial. First one is that it increases vasodilatation. It increases the blood flow. Okay, blood flow to the face, and that gives a flushing effect. That gives a blushing effect to the face, which is, very, the patients, say, yes, I can see the blush on my face. Second thing, it is extremely hydrating in nature. You are just giving hydration directly into the skin. Make sure especially people with sensitive skin, when you're doing steaming, be careful, but definitely if you do it in the proper way, you get very good results. Talking about the Ayurveda aspect of facials, Svedana is definitely a very important Purva Karma in Panchakarma, and that we are using the same principles of Svedana when it comes to facials. You can do Svedana using plain water. You can use, kashayas as a form of Svedana. It will be effective, especially in cases of acne. And most importantly, the most function of Svedana in facials is to aid the next step, which is the extraction of blackheads and whiteheads. Okay, after Svedana, especially if the patient has dry skin, go for dry skin or normal skin. Be near the patient and do Svedana well. After Svedana comes the step of extraction. Now you'll be wondering, what is this extraction? It's such a big word. No, extraction is just basically blackhead removal, nothing else. One of the most important points which people come to me and say, doctor, I want to do a facial. I have a lot of blackheads. I want my face to look clean. It's just imagine looking at yourself and seeing blackheads prominently at your nose. And that is very uncomfortable for a lot of people. So people come to the OP solely with the aim of removing the blackheads and whiteheads. Once you steam well, once the patient starts sweating, what you can do, extraction of blackheads and whiteheads, it's very easy. Now extraction, once you how to do extraction, make sure the patient has sweat very well, and after that, after sweating, you can see the pores slightly dilated. Use blackhead removers which are available in the market, and slowly, very slowly, without disturbing the epidermis, without make sure the patient does not bleed out when you do that. Remove the blackhead slowly. This process, sometimes if the patient is having a lot of blackheads, this procedure takes time, but make sure you remove all the blackheads and whiteheads. And usually what I commonly see, it's seen normally in the nose area, in the chin area. So you take time and effort, and patients will be very happy.